What if we told you that mastering just one simple phrase could instantly make you sound more natural, fluent, and emotionally expressive in English? Welcome back to Chat Ready English, your go-to channel for speaking English with confidence. Today we're uncovering the secret behind a powerful native expression that you'll hear everywhere but may not be using enough. It's a shame. But that's not all. We'll also explore other similar expressions and give you practical examples across daily life, business, and beyond, so you can start using them right away. Stick around to the end for a quick quiz to test what you've learned. Let's begin with the phrase, "It's a shame." This expression is used when something is disappointing, unfortunate, or regrettable. Native speakers use it all the time to show sympathy, express mild regret, or highlight unfortunate situations, both big and small. For example, in daily life. "It's a shame you couldn't come to the party last night. We had so much fun. It's a shame the weather's so bad today. I was hoping to go for a hike. It's a shame they broke up. They seemed so happy together. It's a shame we didn't get to try that new restaurant. I heard it was amazing." As you can see, "it's a shame" is often used to express a light sense of disappointment, but it's also warm and empathetic. It helps build emotional connection in conversation. In business contexts, "It's a shame we lost that client, but we can learn from the experience. It's a shame the project was delayed. We were really looking forward to launching. It's a shame you won't be attending the meeting. Your input would have been valuable. It's a shame we had to cancel the training session. Many employees were interested." In professional communication, this phrase can soften the tone when delivering disappointing news. It's polite, yet human. Now let's expand your vocabulary with similar expressions that natives use in place of "it's a shame." "That's too bad." "That's too bad you couldn't make it to the concert. It was amazing." "That's too bad the shipment is delayed. We needed it by Friday." "What a pity." "What a pity you're leaving the company. You've been such a great team member." "What a pity the museum is closed today. I really wanted to visit." "Unfortunately." "Unfortunately, I won't be able to join you for lunch." "Unfortunately, we didn't meet the sales target this quarter." "Sadly." "Sadly, the store went out of business." "Sadly, we won't be able to go ahead with the project." "Regrettably." "Regrettably, the interview has to be rescheduled." "Regrettably, we had to let 2 employees go due to budget cuts." "That's unfortunate." "That's unfortunate. I was really hoping things would turn out differently." "That's unfortunate the speaker canceled. Everyone was excited to hear her talk." Let's look at more real-life scenarios to see how these expressions add nuance. In travel, "It's a shame we missed the train. Now we have to wait 2 hours." "That's too bad the museum is closed today." "Unfortunately, our flight has been canceled due to weather conditions." In work life, "It's a shame we didn't get the contract, but we'll try again next time." "Regrettably, the budget doesn't allow for new hires this year." "That's unfortunate, but we can work with what we have." Start practicing these expressions today. In the comments, tell us about a recent situation where you could have used one of these phrases. We'll reply and help you refine your usage. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip that gets you closer to sounding like a native. New videos drop every week, so stay tuned to Chat Ready English. Thanks for watching, and remember, every native expression you learn brings you one step closer to confident English conversation. See you in the next video on Chat Ready English.